Iron Man. Iron Man? Iron Man. Armored superhero made famous by advanced technology. Spider-Man. Spider-Man? Spider-Man. Hero with spider-like abilities and agility. Bat-Man. Batman? Batman. Vigilante hero using gadgets and detective skills. Superman. Superman? Superman. Powerful alien superhero with extraordinary abilities. Aquaman. Aquaman? Aquaman. Protector and ruler of the oceans. Ant-Man. Ant-Man? Ant-Man. Hero capable of shrinking to microscopic size. Iron Fist. Iron Fist? Iron Fist. Martial artist with a legendary powerful punch. Green Lantern. Green Lantern? Green Lantern. Hero who creates energy constructs with a ring. Black Panther. Black Panther? Black Panther. Heroic king and protector of Wakanda. Doctor Strange. Doctor Strange? Doctor Strange. Master of mystical arts and magic. Wonder Woman. Wonder Woman? Wonder Woman. Legendary warrior heroine with extraordinary powers. Star-Lord. Star-Lord? Star-Lord. Adventurous space hero and team leader. Moon Knight. Moon Knight? Moon Knight. Vigilante hero empowered by a moon deity. Deadpool. Deadpool? Deadpool. Regenerating antihero known for humor and action. Hawkman. Hawkman? Hawkman. Winged hero inspired by a hawk. Hellboy. Hellboy? Hellboy. Supernatural hero with demonic origins. Silver Surfer. Silver Surfer?
Bruh.
Silver Surfer. Cosmic hero traveling through space on a board. Rocket Raccoon. Rocket Raccoon? Rocket Raccoon. Intelligent raccoon-like space adventurer. Captain America. Captain America? Captain America. Patriotic superhero symbolizing American ideals. Black Widow. Black Widow? Black Widow. Skilled spy and elite combat specialist.